Hello, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to put in a new ignition coil in a Porsche 944 as well as a Porsche 924. So I got this blaster coil MSD because the internet told me it was a good coil. So open it up. It was also on sale when I bought it from Canada. So it's only 2 bolts and then the thing, so you can undo that. It's probably a good time to do like the wires and the whole ignition system if you want. So it's a 8mm socket. So it's kind of hidden in a weird way. These are definitely not 8mm, so I guess there's 2 different sockets, which is fun. Okay, so it's 10 on there now. I don't know if this is stock. We will see. So I don't really need these bolts anymore, but don't want to lose them. It's held on by this 3rd bolt way back here, which is a 10mm, which holds the thing in. There we go. It's German writing on it. So the covered one is the negative, which makes sense. So the black's the negative. So here's the one that's out. It's a Bosch, which leads me to think it was stock, but then there's writing on it. So I think if it's not stock, it's at least OEM. What's interesting is like this writing is kind of the same. I don't know if you can see it from here. Similar writing to what's on my mass air filter. So I think someone probably bought this and that from the scrapyard at one point. But yeah, so this is the one coming out. So like I said, you pay attention to the negative and the positive. So you can't really see it well because it's kind of behind here. But put this one in. Ooh, it does not fit in here well. Okay, I'm going to have to make this smaller so it fits. I don't know the best way to go about doing that, to be honest. So I got this back. Put it in, add a bit of padding so it fits. Like I'm going to put the leads the same orientation as the other one, just for simplicity. Put these guys on. Washers back on. Washer. Washer. Wash it on. Take that. There. Then plug back on it. There we go. And that's how you do it. So the last step is the thing came with the sticker. You have to put it on for California, but here I won't, but I'll still use it. We'll put it down here just because that's close to the coil. I'm going to brake clean, the Miracle Cleaner. Clean this out a bit. I got a dirty engine under here. Get it nice and clean. And then put it on and you're done. Now you know coil I have. Thank you for watching. On this channel I have other Porsche 944 as well as Porsche 924 videos, as long as some other general workshop videos. So please consider subscribing if that interests you. If you have any questions about this, leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.